Hey guys, this is my first gonna be a creepypasta video, and it's gonna be about Thomas the Tank Engine, written by me, and you might see a picture of my toy, and I put clay eyes and red eyes on it. So here we go. One day I was at the store, and I really liked Thomas, so I saw Thomas DVD, and I want to show you the pictures of it. It said, "Welcome." Inside, it said the early years. So I decided to get it. When I put it in my DVD player, something wasn't right. This episode was called Thomas the Tank Engine. And, it started off as normal. Thomas the Tank Engine was pulling his coaches and eating Clarabelle. But something stopped me from happiness. Thomas saw Sir Topham Hatt on the tracks, and his driver told him to stop. But Thomas wouldn't stop. He crashed straight into Sir Topham Hatt. Then the little pieces of the children's body were dead, and Sir Topham Hatt was dead also. This started to freak me out because I never saw Thomas like this ever. And so you might, if you ever see a DVD if online that I'm selling and it looks like this, don't buy it.